Good morning, students. Have a nice day to you all. Today, now we see about the Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser, he was born in 1552 in the East Smithfield. Next, 1599, he was died in Westminster Abbey. Next, his education is Merchant Taylor School. He was educated in Merchant Taylor School. Alma Mater, it means it's a college education. He studied in Pembroke College at Cambridge. His father, John Spenser, journeyman, and also he is a cloth maker. And the mother is a Prosperphobia or Mother Herbert Tales. His spouses it means already we see it is a wife. Machabeus Childe, he was died in 1594 after Elizabeth Boyle, second wife. In 11 June 1594 he married. His children, first wife child Sylvia, he died 1630, and second child Catherine. Second wife children Peregrine அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க யுஹாசியம். And next Spenserian stanza. Spenserian stanza, it means it is a iambic pentameter. The final lines is only considered as a iambic hectameter. Rhyming schemes AB, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, EE. His works, Fairy Queen. Fairy Queen is one of the allegorical poem. It's convey about the Queen Elizabeth I or the Catholic Church situations or a religious way of behaviorance, the behaviorance of peoples. It is an epic poem. In 1590, first 3 books published, and 1596 second 3 books published. Totally they planned 12 books, but they only completed 6 books. Others and all, it is incomplete. And next is Shepherd's Calendar. Shepherd's Calendar, it's written 1579. It is the first work. It's dedicated to Sir Philip Sidney. It's dedicated for Sir Philip Sidney. Bartholomew, it is written by 1596. It's for a wedding song of a daughter of Duke. Bartholomew, 1596, a wedding song for the daughter of Duke. And next another work, it is a Epithalamion. It was written 1595. It is a romantic and sexual relationship poems. It's a wedding gift for young bride Elizabeth Boyle, 11th June 1594. First published in 1595 by William Ponsonby. And next John Milton has praised this poem in her work Areopagitica. He praised our sage and serious poet of Spenser. Spenser is one of the serious poet, and whom I dare be known to think a better teach than Scott has Agnes. Except even though compared to Spenser and Scott or Agnes, through this comparison Spenser is the best, he says. Once again I repeat that quotations. Our sage and serious poet Spenser. Our sage and serious poet is a Spenser, whom I dare to be known to think a better teach than Scott or Agnes. Next Alexander Pope is convey about that A mistress whose fault we see be love her with them all. A mistress whose fault we see be love her with them all. It says about Alexander Pope. And next, Edmund Spenser is called poet's poet. First called poet's poets. It's said by Prince of Essays Charles Lamb. Edmund Spenser is a second father of English poet. It's said by, and also he is one of the English Virgil. Second father of English poet and English Virgil. Her best friend is Gabriel Harvey. In 1578, he write. In 1578, short-time secretary to young John Young and also Bishop of Rochester. In 1578, he worked as a secretary in John Young and Bishop of Rochester. And he got the life pension £50 from Queen. In 1596, Spenser wrote the pamphlet. That pamphlet, prose pamphlet is A View of Present Statue of Ireland. A view of present state of Ireland. And Dryden says Spenser is a poetic son of Chaucer. Dryden says poetic son of Chaucer. Prince of Poet. It should be written in inscription on her tomb. Tomb, it means in this grave we have to make the one headstone. It is considered as a tomb. In that they have to inscription Prince of Poets. Okay students, thank you for watching this. If you like this video, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.